Hi, we're the Pearsalls. This is Cole, and this is Loxie, his service dog, and this is Sophie. And as you can see, we need to get Cole out of the house. So we have lots of things in our yard to help get Cole out of the house. I'll show you what they are. Obviously, pool, can't use it in the winter. And that adorable looking pirate ship, the problem is it's falling apart. It's about 10 years old, and even though we've had it treated, it is not holding up so well. So, as you can tell, our land goes all the way down to the water and is lined by some just beautiful trees. And I think any one of these trees might be able to hold a tree house. We were having that pirate ship removed, so possibly even putting one there because it really is falling apart. And my other thought was having a tree house down by the water. The problem with our water frontage, though it's very pretty, is that it's so far away from the house. Once you get down there, you remember that you've forgotten anything, and it's such a long hike back up. It's uphill, and it's just hard. So if any of the trees down there could hold a tree house, that would be amazing. But if not, I think even just the space between, any one of these trees with that gorgeous view would be amazing. And Sophie, what would you like to see in the tree house?
Pictures. I want to room plants, things, a zip line.
Didn't you say something about a net?
And a net on the bottom. Like there's 3 paths. One goes to the zip line. There's like the tree house, and then there's a door that goes to the zip line. You open the door and there's a zip line. And then one path goes to the tree house. Another goes down under the tree house, and there's a net on the bottom. And that path goes to the net on the bottom. And you can like roll around, and there's a big, huge net the size of the tree house under the tree house.
All right, thank you. Please consider us. We would take loving care of it for sure. Bye.